Hi, this is Jim from HD Rentals and RentalsLawnmower.com. In today's video, we're going to go over the basic operation of an Ariens snow thrower. Now, in a previous video, we showed you the starting procedure, so we'll assume that your engine is running. Before starting to blow snow, you want to make sure that your discharge chute is aimed in the direction you want the snow to go. Depending on your Ariens model, there are three different ways to control this. You may have a crank that's located behind the dash. You may have a crank that's located in front of the dash. Or you may have the Ariens quick stick control. Now with the quick stick control, it's simply a motion straight from left to right. I can do this with one finger. You don't need to pull backward or push forward or lift. It's just a straight left to right motion and it gets the job done. Once you've set the throwing direction, then you want to set the throwing distance by adjusting the deflector. On some models this is done manually, and on some there's a remote deflector lever to adjust it from the dashboard. Once your discharge chute is positioned, select your speed. On full-size Ariens snow throwers, the speed selector is located vertically on the right-hand side of the dash panel. There are 6 speeds in forward and 2 in reverse. On compact size models, the speed selector is located horizontally to the right side of the dash panel. Again, there are 6 speeds forward to the left and 2 speeds in reverse to the right. With the chute adjusted and your speed selected, you're ready to blow snow. The lever on the left-hand handlebar controls the wheel drive, and the lever on the right-hand handlebar controls the auger and impeller to blow snow. When both levers are held down together, the right-hand lever locks so that you can adjust your chute while you're moving. The left-hand lever doesn't lock down because when you get to the end of the driveway and have to work your way through the pile that the snowplow left, you may need to stop and start several times. If your machine is equipped with heated hand grips, they can be turned on and off with the switch in the center of the dashboard. There is no switch for the headlight. That's turned on whenever the machine is running automatically. That's pretty much it for snow thrower operation. Be sure to check out our other videos and our website, RentalsLawnmower.com, for other tips, tricks, and all your power equipment needs.